Hi class! I wanted to show you quickly how to navigate through Google Classroom to watch my video and find your assignment and then turn your assignments in. First, you'll come to our Google Classroom homepage that looks like this. Up at the top, you will see right here today's assignment. Click on the assignment. Your first job is to watch the video right here. You're going to click on the video. Press play. For reading today, you might need this. I'm going to pause. I want you to watch the whole video. After you've watched the whole video, you're going to go back to our Google Classroom page. It looks like this. Then on the right-hand side, you will see a bar that says Your Work. You're going to click on it right here. You'll see your name. This just happens to be Brandon's assignment. You will find yours. Click on it. Here are the slides that I have for you for today. You're going to go through each slide. I talked about this in the video. Now, after you've looked at this, you're going to go over on this side, go to your next slide. Oh, here's the links that you click on. You're going to type in right here where the questions are. I notice, I wonder. Then when you're finished typing in your answers, go back over here, click on Math. Go through your math assignment in the red box, type it right in. Then you're going to go to your last slide. It says you're going to work on Zearn, MobyMax, or Prodigy. Okay, you're going to work on those. When you are all done and you have finished typing in all of your information, you're going to go back to this page and click that blue box that says Turn In. When you've done that, it will ask you, do you really want to turn it in? You are going to click again, Turn In. That will turn in everything you've typed to me. Great job, friends. I know we can do this.